Section 15 of the GST Act pertains to the value on which the tax is to be paid. Section 15 says that the value should be taken as the transaction value. And this transaction value includes number of amounts which have been mentioned in Section 15. There are approximately, I think, 8.7 given, that these amounts which are mentioned against these 8 points, those has to be included. The discounts are to be excluded as it was there in earlier acts also. And what is surprising this time is that the valuation rules which have been framed are quite different from the valuation rules which were there in the Central Excise Act earlier. In these valuation rules, the valuation as per the customs valuation rule is to be seen. They say that when the value cannot be determined as per the invoice, that is the actual transaction value is not known, then in that case the help is to be taken from the valuation rules. In earlier rules, there were a lot of provisions that if the goods are to be sold from depot, how the value is to be taken. If these are to be captively consumed, how the value is to be taken. Then if somebody is supplying the goods free of cost, how the value is to be taken. What should be the status of the freight and what should be the status of the interest in advances. All these factors were taken care of in earlier valuation rules of Central Excise. But in these valuation rules, since these are based on as good as the rules which are there in customs valuation rule, it says the value of like goods of like quality, that is to be compared, and then the value is to be determined. And if it cannot be determined that way, then value is to be taken by computation method. And if that is also not possible, then residual method is to be taken. I think the earlier valuation rules were very much matured, and over a period of time, I think all the contingency has been taken care of. And I'm still sure that the government has to still look into this when they will finally enact the valuation rules, GST. Thank you.